Today's video I would like to show you how to work with text effect in Canva. If you are new with Canva, this video for you. Okay, let's start. Okay, right now I'm in Canva. So you can see my text is like this, and here even have more effect like this. So let me delete all this and show you one by one how to create like that. So just you can choose any template and just come to text and hit heading or text. So just write what you want. Here's text effect, right? And you can make its size better, bigger. Okay, you can see it's totally different right now. So in here we can change just lowercase or uppercase if you want, and alignment. And here if you have list, here kind of text spacing. Here we can make it closer or even like this. Here letter spacing, or if you have multiple line you can do that too, but we have only one line, so no problem with this one. So we got it right. I can delete it and drag to here. Adjust the font a little bit, or you can change another font if you like. For example, or this one. So make it smaller and make it uppercase, for example. So you got it right. Okay, let me add another. For example, here. For example, create thumbnail. Just drag it like this and change to any font you want and any color you like right here, like that. So in here basically is like that. So I have, you can copy it, just Alt and click and drag and copy it. Tip and trick, for example. So I just want to make it long as that one, so you can go to this one. No, sorry. Okay, no list. This one, spacing like that. And let me change another color first. For example, let me do for white, and also you can have effect like that, background, and just change any color you want, something like this. This one also. For example, I want this one. You can choose this one and choose the color you want. For example, white. And we can add, so we can add only one at a time. So corner, see, you can adjust the corner, the spread, yes, like that. Now let's change the color. This one we can separately change it, the color. Okay, not work well. So adjust any color you want. Here we choose white. No, the color background is white already. We choose black. So you got it. And this picture, I already saw how to create that one. Okay, for example, this one is simple. You can go to element here. Just search Canva right here. You can get it. Some are free, most are free. You can, sorry, this one and just drag it right here. And yes, and you can change the opacity if you want to look bright or not. And right now I need arrow. I just choose arrow right here. You can choose this one. But it over that one, so I can send this one to the front. Right, just right click it, and now I got this one on the back. I can change the color and everyone, and I can flip it like that. So you can drag it like this, make it smaller, adjust it a little bit. Okay, now we got it, and you can download it. For example, you certify with it. Now you can download it. Click and download. Choose any one if you have. Choose the current one, and then you got it. And you can choose PNG and or adjust the size if you in Canva Pro you can do that. Okay, right now you got it. This one. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. See you next time.